Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. In today's video, I want to show you how to do no makeup. It's a no makeup tutorial, like as in where you wear makeup but you actually look really natural. This is the look I'm going to do, so I hope you enjoy the video. Sorry, it's raining, so if you can't hear me that well, I hope you understand. So like I was saying, this is the look I am going to do. It's an everyday look where you can go with it anywhere, as in you're wearing makeup but at the same time you look like you're not wearing anything. It's a nude look. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe, and let's grow as a family. So let's get to the video. So the first step is to moisturize my face, and I'm taking very little amount. Okay. After that, I will quickly do my eyebrows. Comb with a spoolie. Now I'm going to follow the natural shape of my brows. Make sure the pencil is sharpened. Let me get a mirror. Now that my brows are done, it's time to prime my face. I'm using this Kiss Beauty primer. I'm using a very little amount, like now it's time for the foundation. I'm going to put some of it, that amount, and then I'm trying to use a small. I'm going to start blending that in. Okay, now a concealer. After that, I'm using the, says black opal, but this is, I think this is a fake. I got it at 400 bob here, so I don't use a lot of powder. I'm not too confident with bold eyeshadows, so I'm going to use something very almost the same color as my eyes. Now I'm going to do the eyeliner. I use this gel like eyeliner. So next is the lashes. I'm going to do my lips now. So this is the final look. It looks almost like I'm not wearing any makeup. And okay, this is what I prefer. I don't like going out looking like a different person. Like, as you can see from the start of the video, I don't look that much different, except for the eyelashes. I almost look just like the way I did when I started the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.